All right, Bill. What are we playing with today? Do you know? It's a Motiv brake bleeder. First time using this bad boy?
Yes, never seen one before.
I've never used it either, so we're gonna learn together. But we got it all hooked up. So it comes with like a bajillion different adapters. So you just figure out which one fits your reservoir, I gather. And you fill it up with brake fluid. And now we're gonna pump it up to about 15 PSI. Yeah, you wanna pump it? Oh, you gotta twist the handle. Yeah, I think it's in like a locked position. There you go. So we're gonna pump it up and see if we can build up to about 15 PSI. And then theoretically, I should be able to crawl under there, crack like brake bleeders, and just bleed everything one-man job, even though we have two.
Somebody has to hold the camera.
Yeah, look at Bill. Hey, this is so easy. How old are you, Bill?
Yeah, it's so easy.
Yeah,
when can I quit? I'm not yet.
Yeah, you're at 10. Oh yeah, dude. Look at this.
It's getting harder.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's probably good. I mean, you're at 15 now.
Okay.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah, dude. All right, so I'm gonna shimmy under there, crack a bleeder, and see what happens. It should, in theory, bleed off some pressure while I'm got it cracked.
So I don't need to pump the brakes at all?
No. No, we're basically doing that all on our own. So ideally with this bad boy, it's like a one-man bleeder, right? So like I would have pumped it if you weren't here, right?
You don't
then
have to
I'll
have
crawl
your-
under there and crack. Yeah.
You don't have to have your wife or girlfriend help.
But yeah, precisely. You want to watch the pressure on that thing?
Yes.
Ah. Oh, it's just a 10 mil. Okay. Real scared. Real scared. Real scared. Okay. And well, we're bleeding. How's our pressure looking?
It's at 14,
Okay, cool.
but no fluid has gone into the master.
Okay.
Now fluid starts to go into the master.
Cool. Ooh, I got an air bubble.
How's the fluid look coming out?
I've seen worse.
Okay.
How we doing on PSI?
It's just about 13.
Okay. Oh wow, it doesn't even take much. Holy hell. So we lost about 2 PSI on that?
Yeah.
Well, that's not bad at all, because we cleared that whole line. All right, so look, yeah, like in between bleeds, you just pump this puppy back up to about 15 PSI is what I've been doing. This is working fan-freaking-tastic. Okay, one more to go. One more to go, Bill. Look, you just... All right, so now for the real question is how do we release the pressure on this? Do we just...
Guess and loosen that.
I'm thinking about cracking it up here.
Yeah.
That would probably do, huh?
Yeah.
Put this here.
Just do it slow.
Yeah. Try and bleed this pressure off. There it goes.
Yeah, that's working.
Pressure gone. All right, hold on. We'll pop this bad boy. Oh, I forgot Dylan was here. You got him doing electrical? I'll get it. Bill.
I don't. He's just here. I just found out he was here like half hour ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He sent me a snap of a picture of your grandma's house, and I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah. You little shit. Well, I'd be interested now.
That's what I figured.
But Bill may be interested. Bill needs to test drive this truck anyhow.
Where are we going?
There's like a little like restaurant bar like down the street.
Oh, okay.
Oh, God.
It's on there, isn't it?
Cut it back like a half hour.
Yeah, it takes some doing to put it on. I gotta figure out where the ship was. Get it off. There it goes. Okay, sweet. Yeah, see, because it's like the little.
Right.
Yeah. Those little deals. Hell yeah, brother.
You don't need.
And it's
You
perfect.
don't need a stinking cap.
I think she's ready to test drive, Bill.
Let's do that.